Hi guys, welcome back to the R44 workshop. Today we've got the G80 on the ramp to have our spacers fitted. Today we're going to do a little bit of a how-to video as well, just showing you the difference on like a 12-15 setup on a G80, which actually works well on a G82 that we had in the workshop the other day. So yeah, going on to the spacers, we've gone for a 12 and 15 setup this afternoon, but we do recommend even a 10 and a 12 if you're looking for more of a daily driver, not too aggressive. We've heard some people have gone a 15 on the front, 15 on the rear, but for us, it's a little bit too aggressive as well. It also depends kind of what tires you've got. We've got the P0s on ours for the moment. We'll be going to the 4Ss when the new wheels arrive for the car. So yeah, just kind of, it all depends on the wheels, but we'll show you what we've got, and we're going for a 12-15. So we sell and fit Bimecc spacers. They're great quality piece, nice and lightweight, got a nice knurled edge. You can see kind of all the details in there. They are, you know, super high quality. So again, yeah, we've got 12s on the front, 15 on the rear, because obviously you are pushing the wheel further away from the hub. We supply longer bolts. So if you go for a 12, we'll supply you a 40mm bolt, and then you go for a 15 on the rear, it's a 43. So yeah, extended bolts come with it, as well as a whole set of locking wheel nuts, which is key. And again, they'll be staggered, or whatever you spec will kind of match the correct bolt, and that's key. If you can't actually use that standard 27 bolts, they just don't work. So yeah, we'll show you, we'll get the car up on the ground. If you have a little walk around, you can kind of see the tires are quite far in. Right, so that's the front. Coming over to the rear, you can see it's quite far distant. The aim is we kind of get this top lip of the tire over to here, would be the aim of the game, which I think we should be able to achieve today. So yeah, we'll show you how it's done and go from there. Hey guys, so now I've got the wheel off, which is just a mixture of 4 normal 17 bolts and 1 locking wheel nut. Again, so these are our normal longer wheel bolts. So you can see the difference there, and that just takes into account for the spacer. So when you take the wheel off, we've still got the hub. What we do first of all is clean this area. We use a wire brush, get any kind of rust, anything that's there off. Get the spacer. This one's nice and dirty already because we had it on for testing. So what we do is we apply copper grease on the inside, which you can either put it on here first and then slide it on, as well as you put some copper grease on the back side, just to prevent any metal to metal contact, which is key. So yeah, so all you got to do is get your spacer, line it up with the holes. Get your wheels, get your locking wheel nut. You can use a gun. What you like to do is use a socket. Lift the wheel up into place, thread in the bolt, and screw it on. Once we put all 5 bolts in, 4 of these, 1 locking wheel nut that's provided in the kit. Drop the car down, torque them up, just check the spec sheet for the correct torque, just to ensure. And then what we do, we drive them around the block about half a mile, and then re-torque them again, just to make sure that they're perfect, because the last thing you want is a wheel falling off, obviously. So yeah, that's it, it's simple. So what we'll do is we'll fit the 12 here, and the 15 on the rear quickly, and then we'll drop the car down, let it settle for a minute, and then show you what the end result is. So guys, we've now dropped the car down. It's a little bit high, obviously, because it's been on the ramp for a little while. So as you can see straight away, look at the fit, man. Absolutely beautiful. Just what we wanted. And that again, 12, 15, perfect. So you know, we've actually gone out for a quick test drive, and there's been no rubbing on the upper edge. Going on to the rear of the car, again, look at the fitment, it's perfect. Really good, and obviously you've got the little wider arch thing, so it does look clean. And again, yeah, so thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Look out for our next video where we'll be dropping the car on our pre-production springs, which will be really exciting. So that's tomorrow's job. So for now, take care and all the best.